Dragons appear in stories from nearly every culture, symbolizing chaos, wisdom, and power. These legendary creatures have captured human imagination for thousands of years, inspiring awe and fear in equal measure. Their forms and meanings may differ, but their presence is nearly universal. In China, the Lung brings rain and fortune, revered as a symbol of imperial authority and prosperity. Festivals and rituals celebrate its benevolent influence, and its image is woven into art, architecture, and folklore. In the Philippines, the Bakunawa is said to swallow the moon, explaining lunar eclipses and inspiring tales of cosmic battles. Its legend is retold in songs and stories passed down through generations. In Scotland, the Beithir haunts the misty glens, feared as a deadly serpent lurking in the wild highlands, a reminder of nature's dangers and mysteries. And in Greece, the Hydra regrows its heads, a formidable foe in ancient myths, symbolizing the challenges that seem impossible to overcome. Despite vast distances and cultural differences, these legends share striking similarities, hinting at shared human experiences or universal attempts to explain the unknown. The stories reveal how people everywhere sought meaning in the mysteries of their world. Ancient peoples may have created dragon myths to make sense of strange fossils, volcanic eruptions, or storms, phenomena that seemed magical or terrifying before science offered explanations. Dragons became symbols for the untamed forces of nature, helping people understand their world and giving shape to their fears and hopes. These stories endure, connecting us to our ancestors and revealing a universal need to explain the powerful forces shaping our lives. They remind us of our shared curiosity and creativity. Exploring dragon myths uncovers the real-world events and discoveries that inspired these legendary creatures, bridging the gap between ancient imagination and modern understanding. Geomythology explores how ancient myths reflect real geological events. Myths often preserve memories of earthquakes, floods, meteorite impacts, and eruptions long before written history. A fiery monster in a mountain might represent a volcano, a serpent carving land, a flood, or river. In Australia, an Aboriginal legend led scientists to a real meteorite crater. In Hawaii, Pele's myths helped recalibrate the history of Kilauea volcano. These examples show how legends and science together reveal truths about our planet's dynamic past. Geomythology bridges the imaginative world of myth and the evidence-based world of science. The discovery of prehistoric fossils likely inspired many of the world's most enduring dragon myths. When early humans stumbled upon enormous bones buried in the earth, they had no scientific explanation for these mysterious remains. Instead, their imaginations filled in the gaps, conjuring up stories of gigantic, fearsome beasts that once ruled the land. Ancient people, finding massive bones, imagined monstrous creatures, dragons, once roamed the land. These discoveries sparked awe and curiosity, leading to legends that were passed down through generations, each culture adding its own twist to the tale. In Greece, mastodon teeth may have inspired the story of Cadmus and the dragon. The strange, oversized teeth were unlike anything seen from living animals, fueling the belief in mythical monsters. In China, fossilized deer skulls influenced the look of the Lung, the legendary dragon. The antlered shapes and elongated skulls matched the features of dragons depicted in ancient art and folklore. These so-called dragon bones were even ground up and used in traditional medicine, cementing the link between fossils and myth. People believed these ancient remains held magical or healing properties, further weaving them into cultural traditions. In Pakistan's Siwalik Hills, jeweled dragon legends may have arisen from fossilized Civatherium skulls encrusted with crystals. The glittering stones embedded in ancient bones made the idea of magical jeweled dragons even more believable. Fossils provided tangible evidence for the existence of dragons, fueling legends across cultures and inspiring wonder in people of all ages. Even today, these myths reflect humanity's attempts to explain the mysterious remains of ancient giants, showing how our fascination with the unknown has shaped stories for millennia. Many dragon traits, such as fire-breathing and immense power, are rooted in dramatic natural phenomena that have awed and frightened people for centuries. Volcanic eruptions, gas vents, and steaming hot springs inspired ancient tales of fiery monsters lurking beneath the earth, ready to unleash chaos at any moment. In Turkey, the legendary Chimera myth likely arose from the mysterious eternal flames of natural gas vents that have burned for millennia, fueling imaginations. The mythic battle between Typhon and Zeus echoes the devastation left by volcanic eruptions, as ancient Greeks tried to explain the raw power of nature. These stories personified the destructive forces of nature, helping people make sense of terrifying, unpredictable events that shaped their world and history. In China, so-called dragon bone sites, once believed to be the remains of mythical beasts, now guide paleontologists to rich fossil beds filled with dinosaur bones. Legends continue to influence science, with places like Huanglonggu, Yellow Dragon Valley, serving as a bridge between ancient myth and modern discovery. Dragon lore endures across cultures, blending ancient imagination with the powerful realities of our ever-changing Earth and reminding us of nature's enduring influence.